Greg Udelhofen with ForConstructionPros.com. I'm here at World of Asphalt with Justin Ganshaw, and he is the Business Development Manager for Caterpillar's Safety Services. We're here to talk about the immersive safety training experience that CAT Service or Safety VR has produced and is working with customers out in the field. Tell me a little bit about how this all evolved and what led up to this point here.
Yeah, so Caterpillar Safety Services is a safety culture and leadership consulting firm within Caterpillar Inc. So we serve our own manufacturing facilities, we serve external companies mostly, that's the main part of our business in construction, asphalt paving, but also some things you wouldn't typically would be Caterpillar customers, things like food production, other manufacturing companies, forestry. So whether they have Caterpillar equipment or not, we help them improve their safety culture and leadership systems.
So the virtual reality technology that people are experiencing here at the show, you just got that. So you're just starting to take that out into the field.
Yes, it's one small component of our overall catalog of services, and it's really a reflection of the principles that we help instill in our customers' organizations. They're things that are based on giving and receiving safety feedback in an effective, tactful manner. It's things like identifying hazards and correcting them and not saying, well, that's the safety guy's job, or that's the foreman's job. No, that's my job. And so it's helping people understand some of those principles on their first day on the job.
And I think you were mentioning earlier that you'll work with companies that have 50 employees, you'll work with companies that have 5,000 employees, and not all of them are necessarily heavy construction companies.
That's exactly right, yeah. Our process is really scalable. It's all about commitment at every level of the organization, from the shop floor to the top floor, and connecting every level in between with accountability, which means things that we have control over, and creating the presence of safety on the job and not just relying on incident rates to tell us if we're safe or if we're lucky. And it's also about engaging and involving employees in creating processes that govern the way that they work every day.
So what is the plan? That safety directors will have this technology, the virtual reality technology, and they can conduct this training themselves at their facility?
Absolutely. They can buy a kit from us. It contains everything that you see here, computer, the virtual reality headset, the software, so they can have a repeatable way to immerse new employees on what it's like to be out on a job site. Because you might have employees that have never been on a paving crew, and now you're going to put them out there on a 4-lane highway with traffic flying by. So it's a way to screen new employees. You could take this to job fairs or to train your employees before they ever go out to the job site.
So is there anything else that we need to be aware of about this technology?
This is really just our first iteration, and our hope, our plan is that we expand into industries beyond paving. This was built with one of our longtime paving customers, but our hope is to expand into quarry and aggregate and mining and manufacturing and forestry and anywhere that one of our customers wants to take us.
So definitely more to come with this technology. Thanks, Justin.
Thank you.